Hi, I'm Katie with the Chamber. I'm here with Jessica Helmers, the Area Vice President for Alaska USA Bank. And we're here to learn more about what they do. Good morning, Jessica.
Good morning, Katie.
Hi. So, first of all, when was Alaska USA first established?
Alaska USA was established December 6, 1948.
Oh, wow, you guys have been here a long time then.
Quite a while.
That's amazing. Can you tell us a little bit about this new branch location? It's gorgeous. What are the services that will be offered here in North Pole?
So this branch location is going to offer the same services that any of our other branches offer. Anything from account maintenance, new accounts, lending, all of our standard services. However, at this location, we have the convenience of offering those services to our members throughout an open branch concept. So our tellers are not necessarily tied to a teller pod or to an office. We can assist our members in any manner in which they choose. So we can be more consultative, sitting side by side with them versus just standing over a teller line.
So a much more personalized experience.
Absolutely.
Just kind of a modern take on banking.
Absolutely.
That's very cool. How exciting to have that in our community. Including this branch, how many total branches does Alaska USA have now in our area?
Total, we have 67 in the network
In
now.
the state? Or in the region?
All over. So we operate in 4 different states: Alaska, Arizona, California, and Washington.
Very cool. 67. Very cool. Are there any, well, I guess you just answered, if there's any branches outside the state. We got California, Arizona, and Washington.
Yes.
Very cool. So how many members do you guys currently have?
Currently, right now, we have about 703,000 members.
Wow, going strong.
Very.
That's amazing to hear. If someone is interested in becoming a member and adding to that number, what would their first steps be?
So first steps to open an account, you can visit any branch, you can open accounts online, you can call our member service center and have membership applications mailed out, whichever is most convenient for our members. We try to make it, easy access to become a member here.
That's amazing. All right, so Jessica, can you share with me what are the core values of Alaska USA?
So our core values are service, value, and convenience.
And it sounds like from some of our previous questions, you guys have already covered most of those.
We work very hard.
Yes, you do. Thank you for that. Are there any community events Alaska USA is historically involved with?
Here locally in the Fairbanks-North Borough, we are involved in the annual Armed Services YMCA golf tournament. We participate with the World Eskimo Indian Olympics. We've previously worked with Sheena River Run, Jingle in July. The list goes on and on. We try to participate and get our name out there and volunteer as much as we can.
Absolutely. Those are some big ones, and we're always happy to see our executive partners and members engaging with the community, so thank you guys for that. What is your number one banking tip for parents who want to set their kids up for financial success?
Oh, start early.
Start
early. Yep, if you want to get your kids' financial success set up, the earlier they can learn about finances, the better. We do a lot of outreach actually in the community to assist with financial education for our young adult or minor members, doing Get Real Financial fairs out in the schools themselves. And then when you open an account for a minor child, we like to give them what we call a moon jar, and it helps them learn about spending, savings, and all of that, so that they can be set up for financial success in the future.
Well, that is so cool. I love it. I'm a mom, so I find that incredibly interesting and inspiring. What about for a member wanting to build their credit?
So our staff are financial service representatives. So anytime a member comes in, if they want to talk about building credit or even reestablishing their credit, we have our representatives here that can talk about what that process and journey looks like.
Very cool, because of course that's a journey that so many people are always working on throughout their life.
Absolutely.
Like you said, start young.
Yes.
So I was hoping you might share with us, what is a memorable experience you've had working for Alaska USA?
Oh my goodness, there are so many over the years. Every day we try and have memorable experiences in the branches when we help our members, but I would say probably the biggest experience that I've had throughout my career is, coaching and mentoring and training up our staff and 6 years ago when I was offered this position, it was extremely momentous in my career because not only could I focus on the branch that I had and the staff I had, it was eye-opening to know that I could really expand that and then help an entire area with multiple branches and training and developing everybody.
Very nice. Yep. You get to kind of be a mentor and
Absolutely.
it's amazing to be able to give back in that way and grow yourself. Can you tell us a little bit about the Alaska USA Foundation?
So Alaska USA Foundation was established back in 2003 in the hopes of supporting children's, military, and veterans programs, in any of the communities that we serve and operate in. Since 2003, we've actually donated over $21 million to these organizations.
Oh, that's so good. And that's regionally in those 4 states that you guys operate in.
Absolutely.
That's amazing, but giving back to those communities where you are, including ours, that's so great. If someone is interested in donating to that foundation, how would they go about that?
Donations can be made online or through any branch location.
So like we said, convenience.
Convenience.
Convenience. So I have a couple rapid fire questions here just to get to know you a little bit better.
All right.
And we usually kind of theme them around, our community. So Jessica, if you had to choose, salmon or halibut?
Halibut.
Halibut. I'm here with you, your team. And winter or summer?
Being that it's 40 below out today, I'm going to go with summer.
Right? I was going to say we made this easy today. All right, we just got a couple more questions here to wrap up. But if you'd like to share, what is the mission of Alaska USA?
So Alaska USA's mission is to provide quality financial services affordably, conveniently, and professionally to our members.
Simple and sweet and so good for us. Thank you.
Absolutely.